Hey, I'm Tom Burry, Pro Contractor, here to show you different ways you can use chalkboard paint around your home. Here's what you need for your next chalkboard paint project. FrogTape painter's tape, chalkboard paint, primer for your specific surface, a brush and a foam roller, putty knife, a level, 220 grit sandpaper, and a painting tray. What's the most popular place to put up chalkboard paint? You guessed it, a wall. Now, you can paint just a small section like an actual chalkboard, or you can paint an entire accent wall. Just remember, pick a surface that's smooth, because after all, you're gonna be drawing on it. Using a tape measure, figure out how big you want your section of chalkboard to be. A laser level or carpenter level will come in handy to get your chalkboard border straight. Mask off your chalkboard using FrogTape painter's tape. Remember to burnish the painter's tape edges for super sharp paint lines. Do a light sanding over the section you'll be painting. This will help the chalkboard paint stick. Apply the first coat of chalkboard paint to the surface and let it dry. Then go ahead and apply your second coat. While your second coat of paint is still wet, remove the painter's tape for a crisp edge. Pro tip, this step is sometimes missed, but it's so important. Chalk prime your chalkboard before you write on it. Once the paint is fully dried, prepare it by using the side of a piece of chalk and rubbing it over the entire surface. Just give it a few seconds to set, erase it, and you're ready to go. Walls aren't the only great place for chalkboard paint. You can also use it on garden pots so you can label your herbs. These make great gifts. Or paint it on drawer fronts so you know what goes inside. There are so many places you could use chalkboard paint, whether you love to label things or you just want to inspire some creativity. The hardest part is deciding what to draw.